Dr. Fisher, tell me about this term, subluxation?
Subluxation, yeah.
Okay, interesting.
That means that a bone of the spine is actually moved out of position. Not totally out of position, but just slightly out of position. Kind of like, when I take this little diagram here, 100% of the nerve supply comes from the brain, goes down the spinal cord, and then out these spinal nerves. And there's about 300,000 nerves coming out of there. And anytime you have a fall or an injury, the bones of the spine kind of move out of position, and they put pressure on some of those 300,000 nerves.
To where it's not cut off completely, but it's just tweaked enough that it's causing an issue.
Correct. You're losing about 60% of the nerve supply. You're only getting about 40%. And that doesn't sound like it sounds like a big thing to have happen, but the reality is just it only takes 20 millimeters of mercury of pressure to interfere with the nerve supply and to interrupt that.
So it really isn't a major fall. It could be a bump here or there and something, and you want to keep this green light on and keep your spine going.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, very good. In fact, you have a diagram here on the screen as well. Tell me about that.
Well, this one actually shows you where those nerve supplies go. Many people that have headaches or migraines or things like that, they may have a problem in this upper part of the neck that goes back actually and supplies parts of the brain, as well as the eyes, the ears, and the lacrimal glands of the body.
Well, and as before we started filming, you and I were talking about, because I have migraines, and you were touching that part of my neck, and I could actually feel a difference, and you knew exactly where to go.
Exactly, because we know where we call them vertemirs, where those nerves mainly supply into what area.
Vertemir, okay.
And I mean, down the lower part in here, this one actually goes to the neck, down the shoulders, arms, and hands, but as you can see, it also affects the heart and the lungs.
So as you're doing a checkup, you can run your thumb, or you know exactly how to pinpoint that very spot.
Exactly. We're able to do that with our hands and be able to find those areas where you may have a subluxation.
And so are there areas that do the digestive system?
Exactly. This number 5 here, the 5th thoracic vertebra, as we call it, actually is a major nerve supply to the stomach. People can have acid reflux, they can have indigestion, heartburn, those kind of things from that.
Isn't this interesting? It's all because of being unaligned, is that correct?
Or misaligned, yes.
Misaligned? Okay, very good. Let's go on down the road here. So even maybe with, what other kind of issues?
Another one down here is the one that goes to the kidneys in this lower thoracic spine. And that's a major supply. I mean, we had a little movie star that lived down in Santaquin, I believe, here a while back, that used to be in different strokes. I think he caused some problems in Utah here, but but he actually had 3 different surgeries to replace kidneys. I kept wondering if anybody looked at his back to find out if he had a lack of nerve supply going there.
Well, you know, we talk about that, the medical versus chiropractic. And that's the thing, is you would take care of the cause, not treat the symptom, go to surgery if you didn't need to.
Well, exactly, that's true. And the thing is the medical profession is not here to give you troubles or anything else. They want to do their best, and they know if they've got a bad kidney and they can put a kidney in there, they're putting it in there. But now let's take it past that, and let's actually restore the nerve supply to that new kidney, and let the power that made the body, let it heal the body.
Well, in fact, let's come down here to this poster, because I love this. You've got the crisis care, critical transition, and lifestyle care, and I like the lifestyle, but let's start with crisis.
Well, most people come to us in a crisis. I mean, they've had a fall, they've had an injury, they've been over to pick up something up, and they're in crisis. They need to get out of pain so that they can function, okay? And the real thing is sometimes we'll find that they actually have real challenges, not only with the pain, but there's an underlying condition in their spine, and that we find that out via the examination and the x-rays, okay? And so we want to make them get past not just the crisis care, but get into a transition where we're actually making corrections in their spine, putting curves where they're supposed to be, and getting rid of curves that aren't supposed to be there.
And then once I get to that point, if I can continue on to this optimal goal here of peak performance, that's just being corrected, my spine corrected on a monthly basis?
Usually for most people it's around a month. Some people it's 2 weeks, some people it's 6 weeks or 2 months.
Whatever makes them feel the best and whatever you recommend at the time. Okay, well, this is an example here of something that I understand people just don't think was possible.
This is true. This is a picture of a patient that actually came into the office after an auto accident, had a curve going the opposite direction it's supposed to be, and after a few visits we were able to get that curve going back in the neck in the correct way.
And that is amazing, and it's amazing to see the striking difference. What were the options then for someone with that?
Well, most people would just use therapy and get rid of the pain and then let it go.
And let it go, and then you're going to have this spinal decay issue.
Exactly, because when you leave things out of alignment for any period of time, this is actually a picture of the same individual over time, going from what we call a phase 1, where it's flattened and to a phase 2 where they're actually showing signs of degeneration, arthritis, and then actually getting into the point where it's just fused together.
And yet you were able to here take advantage of your skills and get a correct version of that. Yeah, correct, Kurt?
Exactly, and that's what we want for everybody.
That's what we want for everybody. We want a nice lifestyle where you can move and enjoy
Exactly.
optimum level.
Life's a lot more fun when you feel good.
Well, Dr. Fisher can help you do that. How do they get a hold of you, Dr. Fisher?
They can call us at 752-5522.
Excellent. And right here in Providence?
Exactly, right here in Providence,
Thanks so much.
locally.